Have you got your condenser engine on? This engine needs a condenser also to go on. So this pump, all the water, the 19,000 litres an hour, supplying water from the wells up to the reservoir behind Dover Castle. The lift is about 480 feet, so a big lift. So there's the line.